Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, this is Bart, and we're reviewing a new product from Air Up. It's from the United Kingdom. They finally are able to ship it and finally approve for the United States. But it's this type of thing where you drink the water, and it's so like, I don't know how to describe it, but you smell these different smells, and it feels like you get the taste that you're drinking flavored water, and you're not, because there's no flavoring in it. You're just sniffing it. I don't know how to explain it, but we're going to show it to you, and that's the best explanation. So coming right up, if you like these type of videos, remember to subscribe, because we do product reviews all the time and food reviews. So all right, here we go. We're opening it up. Again, it's Air Up. Think new, drink new. The best explanation comes from when we drink it. We show you what it's like. But anyway, this is straight from the United Kingdom. This is brand new to the United States. Okay, we're continuing this. Let's open it up.
There's the pods. I got water.
All right, watermelon flavor. These come with different pods. The cherry flavor. Let's see what else.
There's a strap for the bottle.
What is it?
It's a strap for the bottle. Goes on
Okay.
top.
Okay. All these other pieces are just for the bottle that it comes in. So we'll show it to you once we have it all put together. That's probably the best thing. But you can see we're probably one of the first people to, if not the first to review this. I'm sure other people have reviewed this, but we're one of the first. All right. These are the two flavor pods we got: watermelon and cherry. I can't even talk today. My mouth is so dry. Okay, we pour water into the Air Up water bottle. Okay, we poured water into the Air Up bottle. Okay, we're opening up the watermelon air pod. Flavor pod, sorry. Air pod. Okay.
No, it's off.
Okay, here it goes with the watermelon flavor pod on. We're going to take it off and let's try it. Let's see it. Tell me what you think.
Yeah, that's weird. It kind of tastes like you barely taste it, but that's like.
In summary, it definitely feels like, or tastes like you're tasting something. You're tasting something that's got flavor, but you're really not. It's just drinking water. But because the smell is so significant, it tastes like you're tasting cherry or watermelon or whatever the flavor is. So you might have to get a flavor that you like, though. That's the only drawback to this. But other than that, I would give it a thumbs up for the idea. But they might need some better flavors. But again, this is a healthy alternative to drinking flavored drinks. So there you go. For more health tips and all that stuff, just subscribe to this channel. See you later.